All right, here's Mr. Hansel again, providing you with a quick lesson on how to use Google Calendar to help yourself stay organized. Okay, so as you can see, I have totally hacked into someone's account with their permission. It's okay. But this is your virtual classroom right here. Here's your virtual classroom. We're going to walk in there. Um, I want to teach you this time about Google Calendar, but I'm going to quickly show you a couple other cool things. So your upcoming over here, these are the things that you will need to be working on in the near future. Remember that we're always going to be going to classwork. And if you click on this button, view your work, you can see what work you need to do. But this is the button over here that I really want to point out, Google Calendar right there. When I click on that, it's going to open up a brand new tab for me, and it's going to have my calendar. This, I believe, is the default view for everybody, which is a weekly view. If not, it might be in a monthly view and look something like this, which to me is a little bit scarier. So I have switched mine back to a weekly view as well. You're also going to see that you can create stuff over here. So if you wanted to create an appointment for your calendar or add in any events, that's a great place to start that. And these are all the different calendars. Almost everything that we're doing right now is going to be in the virtual learning calendar. So that's that. So you'll click here and you can see that there's some events already planned. I really want to make sure you scroll all the way back just to make sure that you're at the earliest time, 8:30. Okay. You'll see an assignment that is due here, right? So if I click on that, it says an assignment start here. This event in the event that schools are closed. So click there, mark it as done. So that's an assignment that you need to do. You're also going to see maybe something that's outlined in blue. If that's the case, that's something that you can actually accept. So you can say here, day 6 meetup. You can join the Hangout. Here's where you're going to meet the Hangout. Just click on there. Okay. Um, yeah, I'll click on it. It's not going to do anything. Takes me over to a meet over here, and camera's going to get ready. We've all done this before. And look at that. There I am again. This is my meeting. If there's no one else here, it'll say that. Otherwise, it'll list the people who are here, and you just click to join, and ta-da, you've arrived at a meeting. I'm going to close this out now. So if you see that, go ahead and accept those. Otherwise, you can just click on them and join. You don't have to check in and let us know that you're coming, but we have invited you specifically to certain times and days so that you can meet with us. So if you see these, science research group, this is for animal adoption, daily check-in, math office hours, all of that. You'll also see that there's another 2 assignments up here at the top that are coming that you need to do on Thursday. All right. That's it for learning about the